Alright guys, welcome back to our channel, and today pag-usapan natin, let's talk about P2P, and we will using Binance. Alright, see you. And if you don't have Binance yet, click on the description below. There is a Binance link there. Alright, see you.
Everything you should learn about Binance P2P trading. Holding cryptocurrencies is the first step towards trading crypto assets and derivatives. Let's take a look at buying or selling cryptocurrencies in the P2P channel as a start. Fiat and P2P trading. What is fiat? Fiat refers to any legal tender, i.e. currency, that has been issued by a government, such as the US dollar, British pounds, etc. What is P2P trading? One of the most popular ways to buy cryptos is through a method called peer-to-peer or P2P trading. A P2P trade carries out between individuals. Buyer sends fiat payment directly to sellers who hold that digital currency, and the seller releases the digital currency to the buyer. Since the purchase of cryptos is carried out between users outside of the exchange rather than by making trades on the exchange, the purchase of cryptos using fiat currency is also referred to as peer-to-peer or P2P trading. In trades carried out between buyers and sellers, Binance acts as an intermediary and improves security for both the buyer and the seller. Just like Amazon, the platform audits its merchants so users do not have to worry about the security of the digital asset while trading on the platform. Intro to P2P trading. Things to consider while P2P trading. Before buying any cryptocurrency, make sure you complete the following steps to set up your P2P account. Complete two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA, which means you need to verify your mobile phone number and enable SMS authentication. Complete your identity verification, also known as KYC. Why do I have to complete KYC verification? Before starting to trade on Binance P2P, please make sure you complete identity verification, i.e. KYC verification. During the real name verification, you'll see the term KYC. KYC stands for Know Your Customer. When using exchange platform services, users should strictly follow the platform's identity verification requirements for users' identities and accounts, and ensure that all relevant accounts used on the platform are legally registered and used by themselves. Which crypto assets can I buy on Binance P2P? Currently, you can use fiat currency to purchase the following cryptocurrencies on Binance P2P platform: BTC or Bitcoin, USDT or US dollar Tether, i.e. Tether, ETH or Ethereum, EOS, as well as the following tokens issued by Binance: BUSD and BNB. P2P trading frequently asked questions. Question: does Binance participate in P2P trades? Answer: Binance only provides a trading marketplace by acting as an intermediary platform. On the Binance P2P platform, merchants and users complete transactions on their own. Binance does not participate in trades between the two parties. Is P2P trading safe? Question: I want to buy crypto assets, but what if I don't receive the coins after transferring the payment? Don't worry. From the moment an order is created, Binance keeps the advertiser's crypto locked away until the order is completed, so you can transfer funds worry-free. If you haven't received the cryptos within the time limit after transferring the fund, you can contact us by filing an appeal. The platform has a dedicated customer support team standing by to help. After the seller confirms the payment is received, the platform will release the cryptos into your P2P wallet.
Before trading cryptocurrencies, you need to buy cryptocurrencies first. On the Binance peer-to-peer trading platform, you can buy cryptocurrencies using multiple fiat currencies in various payment methods. It's super simple. Before we start, please make sure you have completed SMS authentication and identity verification. Now, open the Binance app and log in. Click Buy with Cash on the home page. Then choose P2P to enter the trading interface. On the Buy tab, select the cryptocurrency that you want to buy. Let's take buying USDT with RUB for example. Choose RUB as the default currency. You can see various USDT advertisements posted by users or merchants. Pay attention to the available quantity and limit for each ad. Choose a seller you want to trade with and click Buy to place your order. Enter the amount that you want to buy. Let's enter 1000 RUB here. That means you will buy 1000 RUBs worth USDT and click Buy USDT. You have generated a USDT buy order. Then you will see the order details and the seller's payment information. Copy the payee information to make payment as instructed. Once the payment is made, click on Mark as Paid and then Confirm. And then the status will be updated to be released. The seller will release the crypto after confirming the payment is received. The transaction will be completed. You will find the cryptocurrencies in your fiat wallet. You can click Transfer to Spot Wallet to transfer the fund and start trading crypto to crypto.